Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and insights. Here at Rome Tech, we're diving into IVC Telecom, a Canadian internet provider, and giving you the lowdown on their services. We'll explore their key features, ideal customer profile, and how they compare to the competition. Links to their plans and services are waiting for you in the description below. IVC Telecom presents itself as a reliable and budget-friendly internet option for both homes and businesses across Canada. A key selling point is their no-contract internet plans, offering a level of flexibility that's attractive to those wary of long-term commitments. Their pricing structure is competitive, particularly for users who prioritize consistent speeds for daily online activities such as web browsing, HD streaming, and online gaming. One of IVC Telecom's most compelling features is the sheer breadth of their plan options. They cater to a wide spectrum of needs and budgets, from casual users to households with multiple connected devices. These customizable packages offer varying speeds and data allowances. The ability to easily upgrade or downgrade your plan as needed makes IVC a compelling option for those who value adaptability in their internet service. Setting up your internet with IVC Telecom is designed to be simple and straightforward. They provide clear instructions for both self-installation and professional setup options. Customer service is generally reported as responsive and helpful, offering assistance with technical problems and account management via phone and online channels. However, while IVC Telecom is a strong contender for residential customers, their network coverage isn't as extensive as some of the larger providers. If you reside outside their service area, you might not be able to access their services. Furthermore, while speeds are generally reliable for average users, those who are heavy data users or engage in high-demand streaming activities might find the higher-tier plans better suited to their needs. In conclusion, IVC Telecom provides a solid internet solution for users seeking flexibility and affordability without being locked into long-term contracts. It's an ideal choice for casual to moderate internet users who want a straightforward, cost-effective solution. For a deeper dive, check out the links provided in the description. Thanks for watching.